friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always, I'm happy and delighted to present this kind of videos and help you or their clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rental of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm staying now at the Plaza de la Constitución. This is the main square, the heart of Torrevieja city. Behind me is our old church. On here, a lot of national parties are celebrated, like New Year. Everybody, all the city is here. And just 100 meters away from here, we have our main office, Alicante Real Estate. This is the town hall of Torrevieja. On there, we have the nice promenade and the port of our city, and a notary, and all the offices, main offices, everything is nearby here. This is very centric. And now, friends, we have a new apartment that we have on sale for very good price, nice offer, direct in the heart, in the center of Torrevieja. This is Calle Caballero de Rodas, where our office is, and just 450 meters away by the street Ramon Gallut, we have our property that I want to show you today. 2 bedrooms, first floor, very well kept, private patio, 140,000 euro. Follow me. So friends, and only in 5 minutes, here we are. This is the main entrance to the building. We are only 200 meters away to the promenade. Important to mention, on the port now, it will be a new commercial center built. It will be a big, huge commercial center with cinema, bars, restaurants, discos, a lot of things. And it's only 300 meters away from this point. And the next beach of El Cura, is 450 meters away. And now follow me, and I will show you this nice apartment that has an elevator and located in the first floor and goes to the main avenue direct there. So here we are. This is the main entrance. We have nice security door. And on the left side, we have the first bedroom, infrared heating, float down bed. So it's very comfortable to save some space when you don't have always people living here. Window that goes to the patio. This is a private closet patio. You'll see it later. We have access from the second bedroom. And now following, here is the bathroom. The bathroom has a window that also goes to the patio. Same as this nice kitchen. Kitchen is in very good condition. It was partly renovated, so you can see everything is included. The white goods are included, the furniture is included, the window that goes to the patio, and yes, this is American style small kitchen. Living room with the dining area here. Yes, I will show it later. Let's follow with the bedroom, with the second one. Here, that one is bigger. We have inbuilt wardrobe. And as I told you, friends, as this is the first floor, we have this patio. Only this apartment from all the building offers this private patio. Look how nice it is. It's completely closed, nobody sees you, and it's perfect to storage your thing. And this adds light and ventilation to all the rooms and the bathroom with the kitchen. And now let's see, quick, we have another infrared panel here. This is for the heating. It's with mirror. And we have the third panel here in the living room. We have new air conditioning machine. Of course, the walls are in this color. If you paint it other color, it seems more bigger, but the owner has own style and he has it this way. Everything, as I mentioned before, is included. Furniture, white goods, only the private things go out. And friends, this is a balcony on which you can sit, enjoy. Important to mention that this apartment, it's first floor, but it's very high. So the feeling I have here, staying here, it's like I'm in the second floor, because this first floor stays much more higher than usual. So you don't feel that you are near. It feels very high. And of course, friends, we have the view to one of the main roads of our city. This is the center city life. I was having, and all the carnivals, all the parties goes by these streets. In the Christmas, I was riding with a motorbike, like a Santa ride. It was 200 or 300 bikes, everybody as a Santa, and we was passing all by this main street. So you will always have something here. It's very funny, it's center and everything is close by. You don't need any car, but this building have also underground garage. You can get a parking spot if you need it. 140,000 euro for this nice apartment in the most centric areas of our nice city, well kept. You must only to replace some small things, maybe paint it, and you have a nice apartment in a nice area next to the new commercial center that will be actually opened this summer. The townhouse says that this summer this new commercial center will be opened, so you are surrounded by everything here. Contact me for more details. If you need more details about this apartment or any other apartment, you have my contact details here. Write me anytime, send me a message, call me, and I will kindly respond all your questions. Share this video with your family, friends and lovers, and see you next time on your YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.